Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're making a Smoky Brisket Ragu pasta sauce using this brisket sourced from ButcherCrowd, Australia's #1 meat and seafood delivery service. Now the first step is to season the brisket using your favourite brisket rub. My rub of choice is the Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso rub. Now we've seasoned our brisket, it's time to light the fire in the Kamado. Once we've lit the charcoal, you want to have the top vent and the bottom vents fully open. Now because we're cooking low and slow today, we're using the heat deflector plate in the Kamado. That way the heat will hit the diffuser plate and come around and create a nice even heat. Our target temperature today is 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now because we don't want to overshoot the temperature, what we're going to look out for is once our Kamado gets to within 50 degrees of our target temperature, we're going to start to close down the vents. Now we're pretty much at our target temperature, so what we're going to do is add a wood chunk for extra flavour. And today we're using cherry. Our smoke is up to temperature, it's time to get the brisket in the smoker. So our brisket has been now cooking for 3 hours. Let's see how we're tracking using an instant read thermometer. Now that our brisket's at temperature, we're going to start preparing our ragu sauce. Now the good thing about when you buy from ButcherCrowd is that you get some top quality meat at less than what you're even going to pay at the supermarket. Now the first step to making our ragu sauce is to saute some onions, garlic and capsicum. Add the brisket, tomato puree and tomato paste into the Dutch oven and stir. And add some more bovine espresso for good measure. Our ragu sauce has been simmering in the Kamado for about an hour. It smells absolutely delicious. Let's give it a try. That's good. There's only one thing left to do. Let's dig in. That is so good. It's rich, it's meaty, it's smoky. It's just so delicious.